Remotasks is a platform that offers various microtasks, allowing users to earn money by completing simple online assignments. Here's a brief guide on how to make money with Remotasks. Sign up and create an account. Begin by signing up on the Remotasks platform and creating a user account. Complete training modules. Before accessing tasks, go through the training modules provided by Remotasks. This ensures that you understand the requirements and can perform tasks accurately. Select and complete tasks. Browse available tasks on the platform and choose those that match your skills and interests. Tasks can range from image annotation to data categorization. Accurate and timely completion. Ensure that you complete tasks accurately and within the specified time frame. High-quality work can lead to better task opportunities and increased earnings. Participate in specialized programs. Remotasks occasionally offers specialized programs or contests. Participate in these to earn additional rewards or bonuses. Build a reputation. Consistently providing high-quality work helps build a positive reputation on the platform, potentially leading to more task opportunities. Cash out earnings. Once you've accumulated earnings, you can cash out through various payment methods provided by Remotasks.